Hi, in this video, let me show you how to replace the maintenance box on your Epson ET-3958 or ET-3950 printer. For this, we need to turn the printer around. The maintenance box will be located on the right side, right over here. First, to open the door, you're going to put your fingers here and you're going to slide it towards the back of the printer. Then to take it out, you're going to see some ridges over here. Okay, simply by pulling it in this direction on the side, you'll be able to take it out. So this maintenance box, what it does, it's clearly just to take every wasted ink, and instead of making a mess, well, it goes right over here. And once it gets filled, you get a message that this needs to be replaced. I'll put links in the description towards Amazon where you can purchase a replacement maintenance box if you don't have one. But basically, you take this out, you bring the new one, and you do the same steps in the reverse order. So you put it, and then this panel at the end, you clip it in place so it hides it. This is about it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.